No, it's not very often nowadays we get to talk about a world heavyweight championship fight. But thanks to the enigmatic British star, Tyson Fury, who has done it again. The man sold 90,000 seats in the Wembley Arena and proceeded to knock the senses out of the latest heavyweight pretender, a man named Dylan White. And look, simple as we take it, Tyson Fury is still unbeaten in 33 professional fights. The man beat everybody them put in front of him, black, white, purple, or pink. This is a man who suffered from depression and drug abuse and all these things. The man is more fat than big. And is full of flair and personality. Tyson Fury is the newest white hope in boxing and he's getting it done. But he's not getting the ratings he deserves. Maybe it's because he don't look like the typical heavyweight boxer and he's white. But generally, when people talk about Tyson Fury, it's always about how weak the current heavyweights are and how Mike Tyson would have knocked him out and Lennox Lewis would have beat him up, like people searching for ways to take away the glory from Tyson Fury. Or to get him on him ratings and stop the hatings.